Awesome. Great. Because I think it is time for SIG meet and greet. And ignore the room numbers. Stay right here. What I would like people to do is try to clear the tables as best as you can. You will no longer need your computers. Because what we're going to do is we're going to have the SIG representatives come in and put the sign for their SIG in the center of the table. That way, you can move around and find the SIG that you're interested in meeting. Also, I will find out what is happening to everyone's contributor patch, because you have been at a contributor summit and done the new contributor workshop, and you should get your contributor patches. So I will track those down. Come find me for those. Oh my gosh! Yes! Excellent. So yes, please clear the tables. And the end of our workshop will be the SIG meet and greet until 4, after which it is the Q&A for steering committee, and then we'll have the finisher at 4:45. Thanks, everyone.